YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this reading we are going to do a reading for all of the zodiac signs for the weekly predictions. And these readings, dear friends, are timeless. So whenever you happen to click on these readings from that particular day, these energies are going to be applicable for you for a period of say 7 to 10 days. So it really doesn't matter which weekly reading you click from our page. Whichever weekly reading you click from our page is meant for you for the coming week. It's like that when the readings are timeless. So let us begin with our first zodiac sign of Aries, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aries friends. Coming week predictions and energies for our Aries zodiac sign. Wow, amazing. So Magician is here. In the coming week your energies are going to be very magical. You have it all inside of you. Wow, amazing. So this is a very beautiful energy for the coming week. So I feel that first of all, let me take it from the health perspective. I feel that some of you were taking healings and you were trying to balance your chakras, as well you were trying to balance your emotional side with your mental side. You were trying to take the healings or do something in your life wherein you wanted to balance your emotions with your mental physical body, something of the sorts. And in the coming week I see that you are in a magnificent energies. Magic is manifesting into your life. There is an opportunity of stability that is coming into your life. Now this stable opportunity can be with regard to your health, that you're following a certain regime and your health is gaining stability. This opportunity can be with regard to a career business perspective, wherein a new seed, an opportunity which is slow moving but very stable is coming towards you for manifestation of a new job or a business or some kind of an investment. For some of my friends this can be an offer of manifesting a new home or some kind of a property. So it is a very stable, secured energy that you're moving into. Absolute magic is happening around you. So whatever healings you are taking is, balancing your mind, body, soul, and aligning you absolutely with the divine. Universal energies are working behind you. And here I also feel that a certain person who is Aquarius, Virgo, Gemini, Capricorn or Piscean is evident for you. Cancer, Piscean is evident for you in the coming week. And this person can be younger to you, can be your love interest also. And there is going to be some kind of a communication might be with this person in the coming week. Then let me see what else is there for you. So beautiful energies throughout the week. I feel that there is some kind of an exercising regime or a health regime also that you've started following, and as a result your health is gaining a lot of positivity. In the coming week you are going to be very magnetic to the energies of other people. Are going to come to you, ask you for guidance. You are going to be very intuitively connected to divine also in the coming week. Then they say affairs with your family. So affairs with your families are going to be highlighted for some of my friends. Their child or their grandchild or brother, somebody becomes evident in the coming week. Then they say money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. Yes, dear friends, I was feeling this for you. Some kind of a stability is coming towards you. So this can be money or a property manifesting opportunity through, they say, inheritance, winning or windfall. And here I see a boat also. So if some of my friends want to travel, want to manifest travel for themselves, then also can manifest for them. So then there is one card of warning over here, dear friends. They say take care, enemies are working against you. So be careful and be more judgmental as to whom you share your high vibrational energies with, because there can be people around you who wanted something bad to occur with you. And there are people like this in our families and our friends also, dear friends. So there is a situation around you for which there is a clear guidance coming as no. So if there is a situation that comes for you for a clear answer in the coming week as a yes, no, you want to know from divine, your guidance from divine is a no for the coming week. So it can be with regard to this person or certain family affair wherein you have to take a clear yes, no decision. In that regard, they are telling me that your answer should be a no. So be very careful, dear friends, and follow this guidance. Otherwise, it seems to be a very, very beautiful, blissful, magical week for you. You're manifesting some stability in your life, and that is very, very good. So let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Taurus, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. So this is a timeless reading. So whenever you happen to click on this link from that particular day until say a period of 7 to 10 days, these energies can be applicable for you. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. Wow, the Magician again. What a magical time frame for all of our friends. So magic is manifesting in your life. It is going to be a very, very magical week for you. It's a week of manifestation. It is a week wherein you're going to feel a lot of power. There is a certain thing that you're completing. There can be a certain project that you're completing, or a certain situation around you that one chapter of your life is being completed in the coming week. And whatever you are completing it with a lot of name, fame, recognition. And it's just like, taking your degree and moving on to the next level, which brings you a lot of success also. So very, very beautiful energies around you. In the last week also, I feel that you have enjoyed good time with your partner, with your children, in your home, and with regard to your work also, there was a good balance around you in the last week. You were thoroughly enjoying, and the energy continues for the coming week. And if you are cracking some interviews, you're going in for interviews that can crack for you. Anything new you want to manifest and move to another chapter, yes, it's a yes answer for you. It's a very, very blissful, beautiful week for you. An ending of one phase and starting of another one with a lot of magic happening. And universe is very well connected with you in the coming week. And if you wanted to manifest travel or movement to another city, state, or a country, there can be an opportunity of travel that comes towards you. That is also very beautiful and blissful opportunity for some of my friends. Manifestation of moving to another stage, it's like manifest an offer comes to you for marriage, that kind of manifestation of marriage, or manifestation of childbirth, or manifestation of making a home of your own. So another stage, like one becoming a mother, then one becoming a grandmother, something of the sort is happening, which is very magical. And I feel a zodiac sign of an Aquarius person is very evident around you. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries energies, and Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, and Aquarius. These energies are very, very blissful around you. But I just want to say that it is a wonderful, wonderful time frame for you, and you must enjoy this time frame. Money seems to be good, financial aspects are good, career aspects look good. There can be a new opportunity of work, business manifesting for you. Love can manifest for you. settlement can manifest, travel I see in cards for you. So very very beautiful chapter that is about to begin for you. And they say there is a secret admirer, and somehow I feel that the secret admirer is an Aquarius person around you. This is very beautiful energy again. And then they say misunderstanding, so some kind of a misunderstanding can also happen with somebody in the coming week. That's just a minor thing. And then they say hand in need of help, assistance and guidance. So if you need help and assistance, it can be provided to you in the coming week from the people around you. And with this hand card I can say that, you know, if you're taking healings from my YouTube channel, you're absolutely changing your energies, you're balancing your mind, body and soul. So I feel this can be my hand also, that, you know, in the healings that you're taking, you are completing one chapter and beautifully moving on to your next chapter. So it can be an indication that, you know, these healings are really helping you manifest abundance into your life. Some of my friends, I see a lot of abundance and stability coming in your life. And forgiveness, dear friends. So there can be a situation of misunderstanding that happens in the coming week, and you're being guided to forgive. This can be the secret admirer also. You can just forgive in the coming week, as it is a Mercury retrograde going on. Many of our friends can communicate, become a bit loose in their communications. So please forgive people and situations around you as you are moving into a very beautiful time ahead. So I wish you all the best. It's a very very beautiful week for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well and eat well. They are saying eat well, healthy food, that is very important for you. So let's move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the very beautiful zodiac sign of Gemini people. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. So let's see the energy of the coming week for our Gemini friends. How the coming week is. Wow, clarity of mind, divine gift, ideas coming towards them. And this is so beautiful that, you know, in Mercury retrograde, if somebody gets a clarity of mind, what more do we want? I mean, it is so beautiful. Oh my god, there's a big wish fulfillment happening for you, my Gemini friends. It's a week of a big wish fulfillment for you. Something new you are starting, and oh my god, there's so much money, there is so much freedom, there is so much financial independence, and so much of, you know, independence and stability that is coming into your life. So the coming week is a divine gift from the universe as one very big wish fulfillment for you. And in this week there is going to be some kind of a documentation work that you are going to do, and it is going to be very well for you. Some of my friends, I feel, are planning some kind of a journey for them with the Fool card. Yes, that those visas are going to be sanctioned. That journey you can manifest for yourself, the travel you wanted to manifest for yourself beautifully. Something around your child, it can be a report card, a result for your child, or a wish that you wanted to manifest, that is happening for you. For some of my friends, it is a very spiritual time frame, and you're becoming a spiritual, something new that you are pursuing now in your career. Can be you're becoming a spiritual healer or a teacher or a card reader. Something new you are doing which you have never done before in your life, in your career aspects, and that eventually is going to bring you a lot of financial independence and freedom also. I couldn't have asked for anything more for you. The cards are speaking for themselves. A very, very, very opportune time for you. Very beautiful. It can be a reward of Saturn retrograde for you, but a lot of mental clarity is coming for you. If you are giving any interview, you're going to crack it. If there is a love marriage or an arranged marriage that you want to manifest for yourself, it's going to happen for you. And here they say a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. This is very beautiful. For some of my friends, I literally feel it is a journey that you are planning in the coming week. And for some of my other friends, it can be an admission to a new course that you want to do, and in learning this might be a spiritual course or something that you're doing is going to make you wiser. For some of my other friends, this is a manifestation of property or hereditary money being written into your name, something of the sorts, some documentations being done for you. For some of my friends, it is a new job. Health is very very good for you or the person around you. If you had here also, I feel that a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini person and Aries person is very evident, and a Taurus Virgo person is on your mind. Yes, I feel so. And leg up, dear friends. They are saying stepping into a new experience. Exactly, that's what I was feeling for you. It is a very very beautiful blissful time frame for you, and make the most of it and success. Wow, could we have asked for anything else? I don't just feel like moving away from this reading. All the lack that you ever felt might be with regard to your health or the health of your parents or your child, or might be with regard to your financial lack, or might be with regard to having a partner. That all lack is going to be coming to is going to go in the coming week, and a big blessing of financial manifestation, stability, love, peace, harmony is coming into your life in the coming week. I am really expecting that my Gemini friends will come and give a comment down below as to what is about to happen in their life, which is so beautiful for them as well. It was so beautiful for us to see also. So let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends, and call upon the divine to connect with me in order to give me clear guidance as to how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. For all of my Cancerian friends, divine, how the coming week is going to be. So a lot of sharpness, a lot of mental clarity, saying the things as they are and not beating around the bush, that kind of an energy. Looking for a lot of expansion, my Cancerian friends. Something new you're starting, you're ending something in your life, and something new is going to be started in your life. Oh wow, oh, they wanted to make this also evident. So this is a very very beautiful blissful week for you, my Cancerian friends. And I feel that in the coming week, through a company, might be there is going to be a quick communication. For first I'm reading it with the career aspects. I feel that there is going to be a quick communication through a company, and there is going to be an opportunity for you of expansion. Now this opportunity can be an literal opportunity of traveling and settling to another city, state, or a country, or it can be an opportunity which will further in your life lead to a lot of expansion. There is going to be a very very quick communication with a senior person in a company. For some of my other friends, if you wanted to manifest a job in another city, state, or a country, this is the time that it is going to happen for you. Some of my friends, I feel that some communication did take place in the last week, and that is bringing you a lot of clarity of something new that you're going to begin in the coming week. And in the coming week, there is going to be a learning, something that you are going to learn and teach people, might be, which is something that you have never done before. And in doing that, you are going to be very clear headed. You are going to be coming in contact with people who are going to give you clear guidance, clear informations. For some of my friends, I feel that it is a week of interviews manifesting, and if you're going in for an interview, I feel that there is going to be a clear communication about the result of this interview, and you might decide to leave your current job and move to another job itself. So there is going to be some kind of documentation work also that will happen for you in the coming week. So there is a person around you who is very strict with regard to your office work or your company work, and you are approaching them like a child and you are telling them that, see, this is this, but this person is quite clear as to what this person wants, he or she, and they are giving you clear guidance that, it is going to be like this, so it is going to be like this for you. So anyhow, you will have to perform this new task. It can be a new project also, or it can be a completely new thing that you want to do, can come for you in the coming week. Then so this is the work scenario that's coming very evidently. For some of my other friends in their love relationships, if you're seeking it for your love relationships, I feel that there was a clarity which came to you last week with regard to your relationship. Might be there was a senior person in the family who gave a clarity and who wanted clarity from you also, that do you want freedom or do you want to pursue this marriage, this relationship, what is it that you want? And I feel that a clarity in the relationship has come, wherein you are saying that I want to end this relationship, I want freedom in this relationship, and I am not going to sit over here and give all clarifications to so many people. No one can be my judge. So I just want to cut my cords from negative people, places and situations and release all that no longer serves me. This is a relationship scenario. For some of my friends, this is a situation with regard to their child, and I feel that last week there was a clarity which came towards them with regard to their child. There was a very quick communication, and that is leading for their child to join a new institute or a new job, and one phase of their that child's life is ending and they are moving to another phase, and there is some documentation work that is also being involved in this process. For some of my friends, this is with regard to health of a person in their family, and I feel that they are going through a lot many tests, and some reports are also going to come in the coming week, and so you might realize that there is some kind of blockages in their body which can be helped through some kind of operation. They going under knife or something of the sorts can happen in a health scenario. So it is a week of something ending and something beginning for my Cancerian friends. And I see the involvement of Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person, Aries person is very evident over here, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius persons are very, very evident in this reading. Yes. Frying pan, dear friends, troubles, accusations, that can be an energy around you in the coming week. For some of my friends, they say, take care, enemies are working against you. Take care, enemies are working against you. So these two cards are warning cards for you. So you may shield and protect your energies around because of these negative people who want to put you down, or they want to put some troubles and acquisitions on you. So you need to protect and shield yourself. You need to cut your cord from these negative people, places and situations around you, and in order to be free spirited, you need to release a lot. And I feel that in the coming week, if you take our healing of cutting cord from negative people, places and situations, it is going to help you. And dear friends, there is a card over here which says communicate clearly. So whatever you want to say to your the people around you, your subordinates, your seniors, or your family members, or your friends, or whosoever, you need to put your demands clearly in front of them and let them know that what you want to express, that you need to let them know clearly that this is what I can do and this is what I cannot do. When you're going to communicate with them clearly, there is going to be a closure of the situation which can come in your favor eventually. So I wish you all the best. A very major week for you. Something is about to start, something is about to end in your life, And however, I can just say that, stay away from addictions in this coming week. And I wish you all the best, my Cancerian friends. So let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Leo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. So dear angels, how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be. It's a very beautiful week for our Leo friends, and some of our Leo friends who were waiting for a good news, who were really waiting patiently for a good news coming on their health. That health is going to manifest for them. That good health opportunity is going to manifest for them in the coming week. Their health, I see, is very, very good. For some of my other friends who were waiting on an opportunity of financial manifestation while they were waiting for a job to manifest for them, or a move or a travel, might be a job in another city, state or a country, or they wanted to travel to another city, state or a country, that can also manifest for them. In the coming week, there is a good opportunity coming towards you. I see finances are very, very good. A good opportunity of financial manifestation is coming for some of my Leo friends. If you were really held on to purchase a property, I feel that a very, very good opportunity of now offer of your investment in a property or a home, something of the sorts. This decision you can make for yourself. It's a very beautiful time frame. I see money showering on you from divine. There is a new beginning in your financial sector, which can be a seed, but it will grow into abundance for you. And for some of my friends who are looking on this spread for their love relationship scenario, I feel that they were in love and relationship, or they were in relationship with a partner who was very casual in nature, and they were patiently waiting on this partner to manifest stability, security in their life. And that offer of stability, security is going to come towards them in the coming week. I feel that this person can be even younger to you in age, but this person is going to have some kind of communications with you, which is going to bring some kind of stability in your life. New home, new attitude. This is very, very beautiful. So definitely I was feeling that they are going to manifest. My Leo friends are in a period of manifestation of some kind of a property or a new home. And then funnel, dear friends, they say period of frustration, lessons to be learned. I feel this is behind you now. With the hanged man energy, I feel that this is behind you. You were frustrated, but then you started seeing the things from different perspective, and that's how this abundance, this manifestation of abundance and safety, security is coming into your life. For some of my friends, they were wishing to manifest childbirth. It can happen for you. The seed can be sown in the coming week. It's a very beautiful week for you. And they say ask for help from others. So whatever you want to manifest in your life, if it is your health, if it is your financial stability, or a job, business perspective that you want to manifest, and you feel a bit of lack of finances for your business or the home you want to manifest, you can ask for help from others around you, or some kind of investment that you want to make. And if there is some kind of a love relationship that you want to manifest, there might be friends around you who can help you in the manifestation and bringing you clarity in this situation. All in all, I can say it's a very, very beautiful, blissful week for my Leo friends, and you should enjoy yourself thoroughly well. And if you were stuck up in a COVID-19 situation, I see that your health is gaining positivity, and it's a very beautiful time frame for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Heredity money is coming for some of my friends. So lots of love and best wishes to my Leo friends. And now let us see the energies for our Virgo friends, how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. Let's see the energies for the coming week for our Virgo friends, how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. So, for our Virgo friends, okay. So for our Virgo friends, I feel that in the past week they were, were operating from emotions, and they were looking in for some kind of a stability in their home area, and they were into a nurturing kind of an energy, and they were giving a lot more than they could give to their partners. But some of you, I feel, were more possessive about the partners or money aspect also in the last week. In the coming week, I feel that either you or a person around you is unwell, is not well in their health, and there is a concern regarding that person which is making you feel some kind of a lack. Either you're missing your family members, your partner, your parents, or your siblings, or your child is unwell, or somebody around you is not well, and you are remorsing and you are not feeling good because of you want the clarity on that situation of that person's health, or something lack that you feel in your life. You want absolute clarity on that situation. I feel a big time change is heading towards you as a karmic reward for your hard work. A big time change is coming towards you, and whatever things that have been lacking in your life are going to manifest into abundance. For some of my friends, I feel that they feel lack of finances also for them in the coming week. And the initial start of the week, say Monday, Tuesday, I feel that you are remorsing a certain situation, a loss might be for family members, something of the sorts is happening, and you're really remorsing that situation. Mid of the week, you get clarity on the situation, and you are in your mental power. Wednesday, Thursday, your energies are very, very clear. And I really started coughing, so I feel this Mercury retrograde season, you really need to take Mercury retrograde healings. Number one, something's got stuck in my throat, and I feel you have to be very careful with your communications also, dear friends, because I feel that your throat chakra needs healing before you communicate with your partners or your family members around. And towards the weekend, I feel that there is some kind of a lack that you feel, might be a financial lack or lack in the relationships that you're feeling. And then they say opportunities are waiting for you, so there are many doors and opportunities waiting for you. And I feel something stuck in my throat at present. You don't feel like, I don't know what is. Please take throat chakra healings. So doors and opportunities are waiting for you, and they say time to act. So knock on those doors which are opportunities that are waiting for you in order to come out of this financial lack or the lack that you feel in a certain relationship. There are people around you who appreciate you, so you knock on those doors, open those doors which are meant for you. You're going to get a divine guidance, divine idea for you for the manifestation of abundance. In a certain question, clear yes no question on your mind, the coming week your answer is a no from divine. So if there is for my people who are looking for this reading for a love scenario, I feel that if you want to manifest a particular partner for you, it's a no from the divine, and there are other opportunities which are more blissful for you, and can be also that if a certain opportunity did not manifest for you in the coming week, the divine says that it was not even meant for you, so there is no need to feel sad around that situation. Wishing you all the best. Take Mercury retrograde healings and take throat chakra healings, my Virgo friends. I'm burping also and releasing a lot of energy from the throat chakra. So moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. What is the guidance? What are the energies for our Libran friends in the coming week? Okay, so for our Libran friends in the coming week, I feel that they had some kind of travel on their mind in the last week. Might be they wanted to meet their parents, their siblings, or they wanted to travel towards them, or they want to manifest some property and they are wishing for some. Might be you want to manifest a property where your parents reside, something of sorts is on your mind. Or some of my friends, you were taking past life healings, and that has really helped you. So in the coming week, I feel that the energies are very, very good for my Libran friends, and if they wanted to manifest an opportunity of a new business, or a career, any profession that is going to, that opportunity is going to come towards them in the coming week. And if you wanted to manifest a property for you, a movement and a property, I feel for some of my friends, a new home or a movement that is being planned for you in the month of October. They are saying whatever travel you are seeking in, or the manifestation of a home or a business in a new city, state, or a country, that I feel is going to manifest for you in the month of October. And they're telling me that whatever you are manifesting is you're going to be victorious, and they say you will receive a gift. Oh my god, it's a very, very beautiful week for my Libran friends, and enjoy thoroughly well. So first of all, I say that money looks really good. The zodiac signs of Cancer, Virgo, Gemini, Aquarius, and Capricorn are very evident for you in the coming week. Taurus also. And there is going to be an opportunity of financial manifestation which will come to you. Some of my Libran friends are going to travel. Might be they want to manifest a new car also, purchasing of cars they are going to see, or might be they'll do some kind of road travel and go to a place to might be see some homes or business areas that they want to manifest. And some of my friends are going to receive a gift in the coming week. Now this gift can come as a financial blessing from a senior person around you also. Can be your partner, can be your husband, yes, they're telling me. That can be your father, your grandfather, or your father-in-law. And this manifestation that is on your mind is going to happen for you in the month of October. Then they say listen to your intuition. So whatever I feel, the guidance message that is coming for you is also very intuitive, so you may listen to this intuitive guidance message. And in the coming week, I feel that anyhow you're going to make some money in the coming week. And if you believe, so this is very important, dear friends, for my Libran friends. If you believe, card tells me that law of attraction is working very strongly for you. So if you want to manifest a certain property for yourself, I see a financial manifestation happening for you. If you want to purchase a home or a business, or you want to move to another city, state, or a country, and you want to approach a person, or you want a financial help or some divine gift you're wishing for, that kind of a situation, that kind of a move can manifest for you only if you believe. Even if you feel that I don't have sufficient money for myself right now, or from where these funds are going to come, the universe is saying that law of attraction is working very strongly for you. And your divine family, your soul family, your ancestors, your loved ones in heaven are going to bless you with this manifestation for you. I feel in the coming week you can pursue whatever you want to pursue, a new start of a business in a new city, state, or a country, or an investment of some kind that you want to do in a property also in a new city, state, or a country is good. For some of my friends, their partner is going to get a good raise. For some of my friends, it is a very good health that is manifesting for them. Balance in their chakras is coming. So it's a very beautiful, blissful time frame for my Libran friends. and enjoy thoroughly well. You have a lot of strength inside of you, and divine is absolutely connected with you. So whatever new venture you are starting, it will be successful for you, and you will receive gifts from people around you, and this venture might start for you in the month of October. That kind of success starts to come to you from the month of October. That is also the birthday period for my Libran friends. Very beautiful energies for Libran friends. And now moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. Coming week for our Scorpion friends. Something new, they want to begin something new, that's on their mind, or might be their child. Yeah, something with regard to their child. I feel that they were very stressed with regard to their child in past, and they were feeling very much choked up in their energies, blocked, as if and now there is an opportunity of healing, expansion that is coming with regard to their child. I feel for some of my Scorpio friends, if they were in a relationship with a partner who is younger to them, they were really very very stressed with regard to this partnership, this kind of a relationship that you were pursuing. It is also possible that this relationship had some kind of deception or some kind of manipulation also that was there. But in the coming week, I feel that you are going to get opportunities of new exploration, of movement, of travel, moving to new partners, and a wish fulfillment is ahead for you in the coming week. It's a very very beautiful week of a lot of hope and inspiration for you, and you're coming out of these energies which were very very blocking you, wherein you were around the people who were causing you a lot of deception and cheating also, and that stress, you're coming out of that stress. You're manifesting something stable into your life in the coming week. So you are going to be exploring many options, that can be moving to another city, state, or a country, or options of your work, business area. And I feel towards the end of the week, there is going to be a wish fulfillment of an opportunity that is very very stable, which is slow moving opportunity but very stable for you. Growth is assured in that opportunity for you, or for your parent, or for your child. It is good. I see the zodiac signs of Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, and Aquarius very very evident around you in the coming week. If there is a new project that you were waiting for and you were stressed that it is very slow moving, that somebody from that project can be communicating with you and can be giving you an opportunity of partnership in that project also. So your health is going to be good. If there was health was a concern for a person in your family, that is going to rejuvenate for you in the coming week. Then they say a journey, either physical or mental. So yeah, so if you're planning for a journey, it's a very good week, that you are planning for a journey in future, and this is going to be fruitful for you. And then they say work, achievement, and success. So very very beautiful time frame for you. Expansion in your work area, achievement, success, very beautiful time frame for you. And trust in the divine. My Scorpion friends, please trust in the divine. Good is about to manifest for you. So whatever movement was there with regard to a slow moving energy, it can be in your relationship also, that you wanted to manifest stability but it was not happening. That kind of a partnership, that kind of stability is going to come into your life, because I feel that you were taking healing, so you are becoming more, you are emotionally and physically more balance is coming into your life, and so these opportunities of desires manifestations can happen for you in the coming week. Also, I want to say here that some of you are really grooming yourself. That is also very good. And some of you are moving towards spirituality, so that idea is good for you. It is going to be a slow process, of course, but it can be fruitful for you. So wishing you lots of love, my Scorpio friends, for the coming week. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. So, coming week for our Sagittarius friends. So, okay. Already given me cards. So for my Sagittarius friends, I feel in the last week they were a lot in emotions, and they have been either getting invitations or sending invitations to their soulmates, to their loved ones. That is on their mind, my Sagittarius friends. And there is some kind of harmonious relationship or some kind of an offer that they want to manifest for themselves. That is something they want to manifest for themselves, which brings them soulful joy. But in the coming week, I feel that your energy is such that you're feeling very tired initially. Might be whatever you want to pursue in your life, because of that you're feeling very tired and stressed out. In the mid of the week also, I feel that you are feeling jaded and bored, and towards the end of the week also, I feel that there is a situation on which you are wishing some clarity, but there is no movement on that situation, neither forward nor backward. So all in all, I feel that there is a need for you to balance your energies. And for some of my Sagittarius friends, I feel that they are feeling a lot of in the coming week there is some kind of a situation with their body. Might be they are not feeling very healthy. They are having they are feeling tired, or bone aches or headaches, something like that. Mercury is doing its work, dear friends, and so this clarity on the situation is not coming to you, and that is causing you a bit of boredom and anxiety and a hangman kind of a situation for you. So with the health regard, I feel that you should be eating everything in balance, doing some exercising, follow moderation for yourself. Some of you might be are drinking a lot, and because of that you are feeling stressed in your energies. I feel there is a certain offer that is coming to my friends, or if you're seeking this reading for love and relationship, I feel that there is an offer that is coming towards you in the coming week of love and relationship settlement, but you are not satisfied with that offer. You are rather wishing that your lover, the one who has parted away from you, that you don't want to give up on that relationship, and you're comparing this new offer, and so you're in this stagnant energy that you are not wishing to take a step forward or backward. You're still in the energy that you want to wait on your last partner only, that you feel that that partner only, if it could manifest with that partner. So the angels over here are saying that in divine timing you will be knowing the answers, and there are going to be chain of events that will affect your life in the coming week. So there are the coming week is going to have some chain of events that are going to happen for you, and they say successfully overcoming a problem. So this is a good card, which eventually tells me that there are going to be chain of events around you, and there is going to be an indecisive situation also, wherein you'll have to finally take a decision, and you will successfully however you are going to successfully overcome this problem. And they say helpful people are around you. So if you're really struggling in your health, or with a certain situation in which you need clarity, you can contact your friends and family members, because they can be of help for you in helping you come out of this situation which is causing you some kind of imbalance in your body, your chakras also. And you need to listen to your intuition. That is one guidance coming for you. And the second thing that I feel is that you need to cleanse your energy of the negative people, places and situations around you. The zodiac sign of Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Cancer, Piscean, Libra, Gemini are very evident for you in the coming week. And a lot many people, energy of a lot many people, and chain of events that are going to affect you in the coming week. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for you. So keep taking our healings, dear friends. And one more thing that I want to say is that you need to make a gratitude list and thank the universe for all the blessings that you have already received in past, and then only you will be able to successfully overcome the problems that you are facing in the coming week. So let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Capricorn. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. Okay, so some of my Capricorn friends are feeling a bit drained in their energy. Might be they are feeling so, or might be there is an old parent around them who is not well, and so they feel some kind of a drain in that and their energy. Okay, so I feel that for some of my Capricorn friends, there is a situation regarding a movement, travel, or might be manifestation of a home that they are seeking in. And in the coming week, I feel that some kind of a construction of that home is going to begin, and you're going to be very, very passionate about it. And I see that you get some financial help also in that process. So this is with regard to a home residence manifesting for some of my friends in the coming week. For some of my other friends, Capricorn friends, I feel that they want to manifest childbirth into their life. And the initial start of the week, that is from Monday until Tuesday, I feel that you will be stressing a lot about this situation of childbirth. But you know what the divine is saying? The divine is saying that if you will stress, you will not stress, and rather pleasurably indulge with your partner for the manifestation of this childbirth, then only it is going to happen for you. Rather stressing yourself and not enjoying your life is not going to bring this manifestation. So from the midweek, I feel that there is going to be an opportunity of a good health manifestation, and from the midweek until the end of the week, if you want to manifest childbirth, that can happen for you. So a good news with regard to child manifestation can happen for you from Wednesday until the end of the week. That's a good time frame for you. For some of my other friends, if they wanted to manifest a new passion, a career for themselves or for their partner or for their child, that opportunity is going to come. And for that opportunity, you can feel that no, I am so tired in my energy, or my partner or my child, this will not manifest, this is too good an opportunity. But the divine is saying that no, this opportunity is for you, and you are capable of manifesting this opportunity for yourself, and it can manifest for you. So a new leadership opportunity for a new project or a work area can also come for you in the coming week. For some of my friends, if they were in relationship with a very casual partner, it is possible that you are having communications and you are putting yourself clearly towards them and telling them that I want stability in this relationship. I don't want just physical relationship with you, because I feel very tired and drained in my energy with only this kind of physical relationship with you. I want to manifest stability with you. That kind of a communication is going to happen for you. For some of my friends, I feel that they feel stuck in a certain situation and they want to manifest some kind of a movement. So they say strong emotions, passionate love or hate. So you're going to experience this strong emotions in the coming week, passionate love or hate kind of emotions. An opportunity or windfall. Yeah, for some of my friends, an opportunity or windfall gains. I feel the zodiac signs of Leo, Sagittarius, Aries and Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus sign people are very, very evident. and these people can give you some kind of an opportunity of a windfall gain also. And but these are the same people with whom you can have these extreme emotions of passion and hate also. So but the divine is stepping in here and saying trust in this process. Whatever is manifesting for you is eventually going to bring a lot of stability into your life, so please trust into this process. And for some of my friends, if you are bothered about the health of your parent or your child, from the midweek towards the end, your health or the health of your parent or the child is going to rejuvenate. So there is no need to really be so bothered about that, and see the things from a different perspective, and you will see so much abundance, prosperity and happiness coming your way. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. So the coming week for our Aquarian friends, this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link, from that particular day until the coming 7 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you, my Aquarian friends. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. Very beautiful start of the week, and I feel that the zodiac sign of Leo, Aries, Sagittarius is going to be very evident for you. Sun is shining on you, and you have ended one painful cycle of your life. You have absolutely ended one painful cycle of your life. It is possible that some of you were taking healings from my YouTube channel, and as a result of that healing, you have released a lot from your body, mind and soul, and now that old self of yours is the end to that old self of yours. That old self of yours is dead now, and you are rejuvenating your energies. And in the coming week, I feel that you're going to be very happy. You're going to plan for some kind of travel also, and you're going to be there is a Cancer sign person also who is around you in the coming week, who is giving you some good information. Then if you wanted to manifest travel, it is a very good week for traveling in the coming week. I feel that if you wanted to manifest purchase of a car, you can be looking for those options in the coming week. All in all, I can say love, yes, love is manifesting in your life in the coming week. If there was a situation wherein you wanted a yes no answer from the divine, the answer for you is a big yes from divine in the coming week. And it's a very happy, blissful week for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. And there are opportunities of forward movement that are coming into your life, opportunities of traveling to another city, state or a country, manifestation of a new home, manifestation of a new car, a vehicle, manifestation of a new property, manifestation of love. Soulmate relationships is going to happen for you in the coming week. Something is going to come towards you in the coming week which is going to be blissful for you, and it is a week of a victory, success, name, fame and recognition for you. And here we have a card, dear friends. They say karma, you will reap what you have sown. And for most of my Aquarian friends, I feel that now karmic awards, because of Saturn retrograde, karmic awards are going to come to you in the coming week. Very beautiful, blissful week. All of the persons who had backstabbed you in your love relationships are going to come back to you again now, and they are going to ask sorry, forgiveness from you, because now you are going to see how karma plays for these people. Spiritual guidance, protection from harm, beautiful time frame for you. It's up to you and to make the best of this week and these energies, and whatever you want to manifest, the divine says the answer from my side, it is yes for you. From the divine, they say that you're working from law of attraction, so whatever you want to manifest for you, it is a very victorious time for you. Name, fame, recognition is coming for you. If there was a certain page, a certain YouTube channel, if you wanted to look for popularity, name, fame, recognition, it's a week of victory victory. Whatever projects that you were doing, whatever you were pursuing in your life, can be for you or can be for a person around you who is a Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio person, or a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person. Anything and everything is very positive and blissful for you, and you're going to get karmic rewards, and you are protected and shielded by these spiritual angels, angelic beings who are always around you. And I want to tell you over here that your ancestors from past many lives have also connected to bring balance in your mind, body and soul, and to make a movement to the things that was stagnant in your life. For some of my friends, if you wanted to manifest childbirth, that will happen for you in the coming week. For some of my friends, if they wanted to manifest a move for their child or a marriage or something, that is going to happen for you. It's a very beautiful, blissful week for you. So enjoy yourself thoroughly well, and do comment down below what happened in the coming week for you and how it was so victorious for you. So now we are going to move on to our last zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Piscean, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. Coming week for our Piscean friends. How is the coming week going to be for our Piscean friends? So Piscean friends, for the Piscean friends, there is an offer of a lot of healing that is coming towards them. Might be there is a Cancer, Piscean, Scorpio person around you who is there, who is bringing this offer of healing for you. For some of my friends, I feel that you were wishing for some kind of an expansion in your life, might be for travel, might be for the manifestation of your desire. In the past week, I feel that you came into the energies of Leo, Sagittarius, Aries people, or might be you were in contact with these Leo, Sagittarius, Aries people, and you took the magic wand in your hand in order to manifest this next level stage of expansion for you. And in the coming week, we see that the start of the week, there is going to be a person who either you yourself are like a healer to a person, or a person with a very very healing energies, or an offer of soulful joy, of reconciliation, of meeting your old friends. Might be there is an offer wherein you want to meet your old friends from your old town, or might be you want to meet your cousins, your parents, some kind of that kind of an offer of drinks, sitting together with your parents, or sitting together with your extended family, or your school friends, or your college friends, or your friends who are working in the who worked with you before from other offices. Some kind of an offer like that is going to come towards you for reconciliation, for meeting, for pleasure, and you're going to be very happy until say Thursday. I feel that you're going to be interacting with these people who are your soul families, with whom you feel a soul kind of connection. So very pleasurable energies from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Towards the weekend, I feel that there is some kind of a communication, that Mercury retrograde kind of a communication kind of a scenario, wherein now you start feeling frustrated that you are not being able to communicate properly with your friends and family members. So some such kind of energy, where pent up energy, where you want to say something but whatever you're saying is not being heard properly, and that is happening because of the Mercury retrograde time frame. All in all, I can say it is a very balanced week, and you just need to balance your energies. Don't do anything in extreme, don't drink also in extreme. Just balance your food, do your exercises, stay connected with divine. And okay, so this was for the love scenario. For work aspect, I feel that there is going to be a communication from a person whom in past of this life or past of the other life, and this person brings an opportunity opportunity of you for a new job or a partnership, or a career wherein you were really wanting to manifest something new for yourself. So there is going to be somebody from your past who is going to come again into your life, and you are going to be considering these new opportunities of expansion. For some of my friends, your divine spirit, your God, universe, if your mother is in heaven, or your grandmother or anybody, they are connecting with you and giving you a lot of guidance, and they are helping you manifest things that were not manifesting in your life before. There is going to be a dealing with a younger woman, they say dealing or relationship with a younger woman. So that is going to be evident. Might be this younger woman is your sister or your friend, or somebody who brings this offer towards you. So I see the zodiac signs of Piscean. I did mention, I feel Piscean, Cancer, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, and Scorpion people are very, very evident for you in the coming week. So two-faced friend might be this younger person. So yeah, there is going to be an interaction with wherein you are going to be having a pleasurable time with your friends, and there is going to be a two-faced person that you realize in the coming week, that this two-faced person is frustrated with your success, and this is not a person whom you should pursue in your life. So you cut your cord from this two-faced friend in the coming week. And this happens in the Mercury retrograde season. There are going to be situations and people from past who are going to come towards us, and now with our spiritual awakening, we are going to understand them better, and we are going to understand that if they are in our favor, or they are the ones who are cutting who are not thinking good for us. Not the right time, dear friends. So if you want to pursue any decision you want to take on this new offer that is coming towards you, might be an offer of healing, might be an it can be an offer of healing for your child or your parent who was really suffering in their health. Some doctor comes up or some kind of, so it's not the right time for you to take this final decision in a relationship scenario, in a job scenario, any scenario. You should take only after 22nd of June 2021. It is possible that some of you are thinking of taking past life healings, but that healing you should take after 22nd of June 2021, because this is Mercury retrograde time frame is a time frame when you should evaluate and re-evaluate your friendships, your situations, your people from past and the offers. But it is not a time frame to make any kind of commitment to anybody. So wait until 22nd June. And otherwise, it's a very good, balanced, enjoyable, pleasurable week for you. So I wish you all the best, my Piscean friends, and I wish all the best to all of my friends on Healing Souls. Thank you so much for liking our channel, for connecting with us, for sharing our content, for subscribing. Thank you so much.